Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Altcoin Disrupt. Today we'll be taking a look at Hive. Before we get this video started properly, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. So let's get into it. What exactly is Hive? Hive launched back in March 2020 as a hard fork of Steem blockchain with an idea of decentralization. Its developers claim that it's fully decentralized, it's fast, scalable, and it has a low barrier to entry. Hive is a graphene-based social blockchain, and it was designed to be an efficient blockchain platform for decentralized applications such as dApps. One of Hive's blockchain purported goal is to remove the element of centralizations that were presented on the Steem blockchain. One of the Hive ecosystem's core components are smart media tokens. Hive offers multiple services such as Hive Fund, free transactions via a resource-credited freemium model, fast block confirmation of 3 seconds or less, and time delay security in the form of vested Hive and savings. Hive is an innovative and forward-looking and decentralized blockchain and ecosystem designed to scale with widespread adoption of the currency and platform in mind by combining the lightning-fast processing time and fee-less transactions. Hive is positioned to become one of the leading Web 3.0 blockchain used by people around the world. Hive was co-founded by Olivia Rosie Newton and Harry Pogrant. Olivia Rosie Newton is the co-founder and president of Hive Blockchain Technology. He's also founded DeFi Holding and Exponential Genomics Inc. He is also the chairman of Quantum Holdings and co-founder and director of Volor. So what exactly makes Hive so unique? What is this vast ecosystem that they're currently creating and expanding on? Well, the main thing that makes Hive unique is the fact that it's working ecosystem of applications, commodity, and individuals. It is a decentralized blockchain and ecosystem that was designed to scale with widespread adoption. Through the combination of fast processing and zero transaction fees, Hive is aiming to become the world leader in Web 3.0 blockchains. According to the developer, Hive is and will remain open source. So how many Hive coins are there in circulation? 411 million coins. No maximum supply data is available as of February 2021. But as for circulating supply, 411 million tokens in circulating supply. Now there's other information that tells me differently on the CoinMarketCap website. It tells me that the circulating supply is actually 398 million, and this is actually verified data, verified by CoinMarketCap, verified through Hive. So let's just go with the 398 million number. Now the company behind Hive holds all the digital cryptocurrency and cold wallets. There's also a secure Hive wallet available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and web, including Vessel, Keyship, Hive Wallet, NSC, Sensi, Hive Signer, ActiveIt, Peak, and Hive.blog. Hive is a passionate effort created by a large group of Steem community members who've long looked forward to the true decentralization and help to develop the code base. So it really does sound like Hive is an exceptional ecosystem that have everything to do with game and dApps to social media dApps, NFTs, DeFi, tools, and video. It seems that they definitely have their hands in everything, and this is good to diversify your ecosystem. This is exception to being recognized and add that knowledge and to grow your cryptocurrency similar to Solana and Avalanche. Now in additional news, Hive plus Telos collaboration embracing synergy. This is news from almost 2 weeks ago, 13 days, almost 2 weeks. Now it said they're excited to announce that over the past few months, they've had some great decisions with the fellow Web3 proponent at Telos. There is much synergy between the communities and goals. Both Hive and Telos are focused on innovating on top of the DPoS technology and embracing new challenges, in case you haven't heard of Telos yet. Now, Telos is a third generation blockchain platform for building fast, distributed applications with feeless transactions. The TELUS network has been developed to power the economy of the future and provide human-scale solutions to global challenges. With these goals in mind, it features innovative governance tools, no front-running and leading ESG compliance. The upcoming release of the TELUS EVM will make the TELUS the only blockchain to support both leading industry protocol, EOS, IO, C++, and Solidity. Solidity is actually the same coding technology that Ethereum is built on, and it was actually created by the same guy who founded Ethereum. This opens a network up to the extremely large pool of developers, with now boost over 100 dApps and integrations. This is exceptional news. This is good for TELUS and for Hive. Now we can actually get into a price analysis and a price prediction for Hive. Now the good news is that dApp building platforms are actually profiting right now. They're actually doing exceptionally well. And not to mention a very underrated cryptocurrency, Avalanche. They're doing exceptionally well right now, and this will continue until the next huge crash in the crypto market or in the overall financial market. Now what you're looking at is a chart from the start of this year, around February. This is when we started to see some big movements in the Hive token price. We started seeing huge price rally that brought it up to around 83 cents and even higher to around 88 cents. Now in the middle of June the 22nd, the price actually dropped down below 20 cents. This was intense. And the big question that was on a lot of people's mind is, will it recover? And it's recovered exceptionally well. Because from that point on, the growth has been steady but strong and plenty of volume. So one, volume is definitely here. Growth is strong. As you can see, there's plenty of evidence because it's been on an upward trajectory. From where it was in June to where it is right now, it's just been on an upwards trajectory. And this is absolutely brilliant. This is just what we need. This is also great signs of a market lead. This is a market lead token. Why is it helping to lead the market? Similar to Solana, similar to Avalanche, similar to Ethereum, because dApp building platforms are doing exceptionally well right now, and it's just the start. It's about to get even more intense. And now recently the price of this token has actually gone above $1.20, which was exceptional, because this is where my prediction aligns. Between $1.20 to $1.50 before the end of this year. That's what we're looking forward to. And I do believe that the continuation of this price will continue to grow. Now recently, towards the end of September, we did get a huge drop in the market. Just the overall market, and this is what we're seeing right here. And I'm going to highlight this in purple just so everyone can understand that there was indeed a huge drop in the market, but nevertheless Hive recovered exceptionally well, and I do think this growth will just continue. So we are seeing patterns in the market, but the patterns that we're seeing are actually good because there's a continuation in price rally after price rally after price rally. There's continuation. There's a huge pattern around the 15th of July to around the end of July, and the start of August to around the 8th of August. There were two significant patterns, and these patterns keep on occurring every once in a while. Another one actually occurred around the end of August going into the start of September, and this was additional. This was another pattern, but it was also a huge price rally because the price actually went above $1 around this time, which was exceptionally well. It was quite exciting, and this is exactly what we need. The trouble actually came recently around the 19th of September when there was a little bit of a crash in the financial market, the crypto market and the traditional financial market. The price actually fell back down to around 50 cents per token, which was kind of crazy because this was a short period of time. It was scary for a lot of people, and naturally some people must have thought this is it. But surprisingly, the price just rallied right back up, which was exceptional. This is exactly what we needed. This is exactly what we wanted to see. And we started seeing more green candles, and it just kept on rising to above $1.20. This was exceptional. Now, I do think a bearish market is still on the approach. I don't think this was the last crash that we are going to experience within this year before the end of this year. I still think there will be another crash. Reason that is, and I think this is a bearish market on the approach, on the horizon. I think this is because Christmas is coming up. People are going to be spending their money on vacation, presents, and all kinds of things for family get together. The money will be leaving the financial market and it will be going into the hands of the consumers and into the hands of different businesses. Therefore, the overall market, crypto market, financial market will see a huge dip in volume, a huge loss in volume. But quite interestingly, investors, hedge fund investors and additional investors, they will be looking to invest in the financial market before the start of the year. Why? Because the start of the year is the best time to invest. That's when most money is gone into the market, which means that it's the best time to take profit, which means that people are going to want to invest early. And the best time to invest is when there's a crash. What people are looking for right now is the next crash in the financial market. This was the first crash, what we had recently before the end of the year. And I think that the next crash will be more significant. It will be a bigger loss. And I do think this is where a lot of people, a lot of investors will be putting a lot of their money, because this will be one of the best opportunities to invest as early as possible before the start of the year. Don't get me wrong, there are plenty of investors who use this recent crash, this recent opportunity to invest, and they were clever to do that because you never know what's going to happen in the financial market. Sometimes the impossible happens. Sometimes there won't be another crash. But I'm also confident that this crash will only be temporarily, because I'm still expecting the price of this coin to rise above $1.20, stabilize between $1.20 and $1.50. So that is it for my video today on a price analysis, quick price prediction. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Right now, towards the end of this year, during the last few months, we are in new price discovery areas for Hive. This is big because within these small patterns that I've highlighted, we've seen plenty of breakouts and we've seen plenty of fallbacks, plenty of pullbacks in the market, and that's quite normal. But we've got good things on the way. So subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.